Welcome back to this video. If you use Alipay app or you have Alipay app on your phone and you find it difficult to top up your Alipay wallet, or you don't know how to fund your Alipay wallet, here is an update that allows you to send money requests from anyone in your Alipay app. So let's see. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are very new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. Very first thing you need to do is to open up your Alipay app. So I'm going to click on here, open up my Alipay app. After you open up your Alipay app, make sure you update your Alipay to a latest version if you want to have access to this particular feature. So if you are using Android phone, make sure you head over to your Play Store. So I'm going to simply head over to my Play Store. I'll walk you through steps. So I'm going to simply click on my Play Store right here. If you are using Android phone, go to your Play Store. But if you are using iPhone, just go to your App Store. Then I'll get it to your iPhone Store, App Store, or Android on Play Store. Click on search right here. And this is going to open up. Click on search app and type in Alipay. Then click on search. Then right here, if you have not updated your Alipay app, simply click on update right here. But as you can see, I have already updated the app. The next thing I'm going to do is to simply click on open. Then it will redirect me back to my Alipay, just like what you see right here. Once you have successfully updated the app, then you have the access to feature of asking a friend for Alipay wallet top-up. Next thing you need to do is to click on this profile icon right here to proceed to your profile. Then it's going to take you right here. Then click on balance right here. Then it's going to take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to click on recharge. Then it's going to take you right here. Then enter the amount you want to get from the friend. Then once you enter the amount, click on ask friends. Then it's going to take you right here. Now you can simply select your friend from the contact list from the bottom right here. So I'm going to simply select my friend right here. Then this is going to pump up. Next thing you need to do is to click on here. Successfully sent. It's as simple as that. So you have to wait for the friend to accept and send you the fund into your Alipay account. So the fund is going to be appear in your Alipay balance. So click on continue right here and go back and go back. Once the friend accepts the top up request, the fund is going to be found right here. It's as simple as that. So basically, this is alternative way to top up or recharge your Alipay balance wallet without any stress. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.